riveter or Walt the welder on the home front, there was a grateful soldier on the front lines. The names of those vehicles were often technical, names like M59 Armored Personnel Carrier and M25 Tank Transport. Others had names that were odd or downright comical. The M76 Otter, the M29 Weasel, the Gamma Goat. But in our moments of greatest need, on the cratered battlefields of the Italian front, on the deadly beaches of Normandy and Guadalcanal, through the sniper-infested rice paddies of Korea and Vietnam, they were our chariots, our steeds, our shields, and our swords. For we were the war fighters, and these were our fighting machines. You know well the name of some of the manufacturers: Chevrolet, International Harvester, Pontiac, Studebaker, Cadillac. Others may not be so familiar: Consolidated Diesel Electric Company, Pacific Car and Foundry, White Motor Company. Yet, their fighting machines had one thing in common: they were all made in America, infused with American pride and honor, and designed with one overpowering purpose in mind: to help our brave fighting forces defend America's freedom and liberty against some of the greatest threats of the last century. The vehicles came in every shape and size, though they were mostly the same color. Often form followed function, with the purpose of the vehicle revealed in its design. Some had tires, some had treads, and some came equipped with marine propellers. Some were amphibious, able to move troops and supplies from ship to shore and back again. Others were designed to respond to crashes and fires, or to rush to the scene to repair damaged tanks or to rescue injured soldiers. There were vehicles designed to tow other vehicles, while others were designed to be towed as trailers. Some were specifically designed to maneuver quickly and easily through snowy conditions. Others could negotiate surf and sandy beaches with ease. Some were created to help attack specific targets. Others were meant to transport vital supplies, while still others transported the troops themselves. Some were armed, and many were armored. Those fighting machines of yesteryear served us well, and because of them, many of us survived to sing their praises. Today, nearly all of those military vehicles are long retired. Most have gone on to the scrapyard. Some reside in museums, and a few have found second lives in the civilian world. They've been replaced by new generations of military vehicles serving today's fighting men and women. But for those of us who served our country in years gone by, those rusty, battered, battle-scarred antiques will forever hold a special place in our memories.
Yes, rather unusual.